name's Samantha, and I'll be teaching you how to make a Frappuccino from Starbucks. Alright, so first of all, you need a glass of ice. So, yay tall. Now, this isn't totally frozen. It is a bit watery, so it's not going to turn like totally crushed, you know? So we're going to put a cup of ice in here. Okay, now we're going to get some sugar. So basically, you put like, I guess just under a cup. But you could put more, varying on if you like it sweet or not. If you want sweet, more sugar, then go right ahead, because this is just, semi-sweet. So I'm going to show you how much I put in. It's, just like this, it's not too much, not too little. There's this. So we're going to put this in. Now, we're going to crush this up for a bit, because it takes, actually, no, we're going to leave this here. Okay. So we're also going to need, in there first, we're going to need a cup of milk. So we put the sugar in first, so the milk doesn't, so if milk wasn't first, the sugar doesn't stick to the side. So this is a half, so we need 2 halves. Now I'm going to do a little less, because I don't want it too watered down, right? We also have our coffee. Okay, so speaking of coffee, we have, now I'm not going to put all of it in, but we have just over a cup. Now this is very strong, because you should use strong coffee, because you're not going to put a lot in, or it'll be too watery. So this is 3 scoops for this much, which is a lot. Now this is almost like a filter for the coffee. You grind it up first. I have a grinder. Alright, so it just goes in here. You grind this up. And then you can put it in here with hot water. But in this case, it's going to be cold water, because you don't want a hot Frappuccino. It doesn't work that way. So I have cold coffee in here, just over a cup. We're not going to use the whole thing. So I just pushed it down slowly. And we're going to put it in here. Okay. Now, we're going to see if we can get a bit more out of this, because yeah, that's good, right? So now that coffee is actually Starbucks coffee, so it's going to have more of the same taste than using coffee you would usually use, right? Now I want a bit of a peppermint flavor. This is pure mint and peppermint extract. Now, you don't want to put a half cup, half a lid. Disgusting, too strong. This just covers the bottom. It's so tiny, you don't even that's all I want, So, the rest in here. This may even be too strong, actually. I think this stuff is really strong, you don't understand. I put the lid on. This is going to take, we're going to do it until you can't hear the ice crush. This is an old machine, so I'm going to shake it a bit, maybe 4 or 5 times, restart it. So, let's turn the music up.
I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now,
all be chopped up. But I wanted to more instigate in an ice cap, so I'm going to use this, which I have. So, open this up. This. And we have now our Frappuccino, mint flavored. Now usually you fill this up with whipped cream, but I don't have any on me right now. So once this is made, you can taste it out. That's really good. I didn't use too much vanilla extract. So you have a Frappuccino from Starbucks, and so enjoy. Thank you.